Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of celeriac, a truly amazing root vegetable that's like nature's superfood. Today, we are about to uncover the myriad health benefits and secrets this unique vegetable holds. From supporting your heart health to boosting your immune system, aiding digestion, and much more, celeriac is a nutritional treasure waiting to be explored. So, grab a seat and join us on this voyage of discovery as we uncover the transformative potential of celeriac and how it can elevate your well-being in the most delicious and wholesome way. First and foremost, maintaining a healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being, and celeriac, also known as celery root, can play a crucial role in supporting and promoting optimal digestion. Celeriac is a fiber-rich vegetable, making it an excellent choice for promoting healthy digestion. Dietary fiber adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. The fiber in celeriac acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall digestive wellness. The fiber content in celeriac can also help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion by promoting efficient digestion and easing the passage of food through the digestive tract. What's more, celeriac is naturally low in sodium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. High sodium intake can lead to hypertension, a risk factor for heart disease. Celeriac is a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps balance sodium levels in the body and supports heart function. Adequate potassium intake can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's rich in dietary fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and promoting its elimination. Lower cholesterol levels are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Celeriac contains phytosterols, plant compounds that have been shown to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, further supporting heart health. But wait, there is more. A strong immune system is crucial for overall health, and incorporating celeriac into your diet can be a wonderful way to support and bolster your immune system. Celeriac is a good source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the immune system by promoting the production of white blood cells and enhancing their ability to fend off infections and illnesses. It contains antioxidants like vitamin C and phytonutrients, which help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting a healthy immune system. Celeriac is also a source of vitamin K, which plays a role in immune cell activation. Proper immune cell function is vital for a robust and efficient immune response. It also contains essential minerals like potassium and phosphorus, which are important for maintaining a well-functioning immune system and overall health. Let's talk about bone health. Celeriac is a good source of vitamin K, a nutrient essential for bone health. Vitamin K is crucial for bone mineralization and helps improve bone density, making your bones strong and resilient. It also contains phosphorus, an essential mineral that works in harmony with calcium to build and maintain bone structure. Phosphorus is crucial for proper bone mineralization and overall bone health. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. If you're on a journey to manage your weight and achieve a healthy balance, celeriac can be a valuable ally in reaching your goals. It's relatively low in calories, making it a great choice for those aiming to manage their weight. You can enjoy a satisfying portion without consuming excessive calories. Celeriac is rich in dietary fiber, which adds bulk to your meals and helps you feel full and satisfied. This feeling of fullness can lead to reduced calorie intake and better control of portion sizes. The fiber content in celeriac promotes a sense of satiety, making you feel fuller for longer periods. This can help reduce overall calorie consumption throughout the day. Celeriac has a high water content, contributing to hydration. Staying well hydrated can support your weight management goals by assisting in controlling hunger and aiding in proper digestion. Lastly, celeriac has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels when consumed. Foods with a low GI are beneficial for individuals with diabetes to help regulate blood sugar. Celeriac is rich in dietary fiber, which can slow down the absorption of sugar in the digestive tract. This slower absorption helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar, promoting steadier levels over time. There you have it, folks. The journey through the extraordinary world of celeriac, a vegetable powerhouse brimming with a multitude of health benefits. Remember, every bite you take can be a step towards a healthier you. So grab that bunch of fresh celeriac, head to the kitchen, and let the healthful adventure begin. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.